In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a manager or user to Google Business Profile. If you need to give someone access to help manage your business listing, Google makes that pretty straightforward. This is useful if you're working with a team member, an assistant, or someone who needs to help manage updates on your profile. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process of inviting another account and assigning the correct access level. First, sign in to the Google account that currently manages your business profile. Once you're signed in, open your business profile. You can do that by searching for your business on Google or by going directly to your Google Business Profile Management area. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, since only the current owner or someone with the right permissions can add another person. Once you're looking at the profile controls, click the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More. From that menu, choose Business Profile Settings. This is where Google keeps the more advanced options related to your listing, including access management. Inside the settings area, click People and Access. This section shows everyone who currently has permission to manage the profile and what role each person has. If you ever need to review who can access your business listing, this is the place to check. Next, look toward the top left and click Add. This opens the invitation window where you can bring in another account. In the email field, type the email address of the person you want to give access to. Double check the spelling before moving on, because an incorrect email address means the invite will go to the wrong account or may not be delivered properly. Under the access option, choose Owner, then click Invite. Selecting Owner gives that new account the highest level of access, which is important if you're transferring control of the profile or if the other person needs full management permissions. If your goal is simply to let someone help manage the listing, be sure to choose the role that matches the level of access you actually want them to have. In this example, though, the role selected is Owner. After you send the invitation, the other person will need to accept it from their Google account. Until they accept, the access change won't be fully completed. So if they don't see it right away, ask them to check the correct Google account and look for the invitation there. And that's it. Once accepted, the new account will have access based on the role you assigned.